strategy stock 4, please invest at your own risk. This is just an investor's point of view of why do I invest in MicroStrategy. Now it's called the strategy Mstr. Well, if you are a taxi driver in the UK, or you are an investor, a small medium company or a large company, why should you invest in a strategy? Or why is today Trump media going to invest 2.5 billion in Bitcoin? Why? Is this a conflict of interest? Well, one way or another is pushing the price of Bitcoin. Why? Because perhaps a lot of companies can earn much more profits by investing all the cash and at zero risk. That's the strategy. Then if we have, for example, a Bitcoin price of 100 and in quarter 1 2025, low range, medium range, upper range. End of quarter 4, it could be the upper 288k, the medium 236, and the low 199. Q3 around this same, well, 10k less. Q2 about 10k less, and then Q1 10k less. That's the low 169, then 200, then 241. So one way or another, institutional investors, big whales, big white sharks, are thinking in investing in Bitcoin. And is this going to be the right strategy? Well, I believe yes. Why? Because we don't know how much money they are printing today. So we know that you can only print 21 million Bitcoin, do we? No one can print anymore. And therefore, is it a good strategy to invest? Of course, yes. Now, do you have to be safe regarding this cash allocation? Yes. Now, how much is up to you? Perhaps big whales 10%, perhaps billionaires 50%, perhaps those companies that make a profit 60% of the profits every year, and free cash flows. So imagine if all the planet companies did the same thing and bought MicroStrategy shares. What could happen to Bitcoin? Well, it's very clear that today we cannot trust governments because we don't know how much they're printing. And then one day they go along with the tariff here, tariff there. Bitcoin has no tariff here, no tariff there. So if you want to make the economy sink, just put tariffs around. And if you want to really invest in the long term, at least I do, just keep it safe and then put some part of the profits and the free cash flow in the MicroStrategy, because at least the last 3 months it has grown about 20%. It's not much, but how about the end of quarter 4 2025? We are talking about perhaps 200,000 Bitcoin, 160. One way or another, is it the 10, 15? Perhaps with Amazon you can have a 10 per year compounded. But how about MicroStrategy had a 400% 2024, 2025? We don't know. But if you're safe, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.